artificial intelligence. Where did it actually come from? Who came up with this idea? And why is it suddenly moving so damn fast? First, the idea of creating a thinking machine isn't new. Back in the 1950s, a guy named Alan Turing, yes, the same guy from the Imitation Game, asked a simple question. Can machines think? That question kicked off the whole field. Then, in 1956, a bunch of scientists held a meeting at Dartmouth College. They coined the term artificial intelligence. The plan? Build machines that could simulate human intelligence. Ambitious? Absolutely. Realistic back then? Not really. They had ideas, but not enough data or computing power. Fast forward. The 80s and 90s saw some progress. Basic systems, expert programs, things like that. But AI still felt like science fiction. It couldn't really learn yet. Then something changed. Three big things, actually. 1. Data. The internet exploded. Suddenly, we had mountains of data. Texts, images, videos, everything AI needs to learn. 2. Computing power. Graphics cards, originally made for video games, turned out to be perfect for training AI models. They made everything faster. 3. Algorithms. Researchers cracked better ways to teach machines, especially through something called neural networks. Think of it like building a digital brain, loosely inspired by how ours work. In 2012, AI started getting real attention. A deep learning model crushed a major image recognition contest. That win? It was the moment people realized AI wasn't just theory anymore. It was working. From there, it snowballed. Self-driving cars, voice assistants, face recognition, chatbots like ChatGPT, art generators, real-time language translation. All that built in the last 10 to 12 years. And the biggest leap came in just the past few. Why so fast? Simple answer. Scale. We now have massive models trained on billions of data points using thousands of powerful GPUs. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta, and others are racing to build smarter systems. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini, these are all products of that arms race. So yeah, AI went from theory to reality in a few decades, and then from slow progress to breakneck speed in just a few years. What's next? No one knows exactly. But one thing's clear. AI isn't coming. It's already here. And we'd better start understanding it, not just using it blindly.
Found that useful? Hit subscribe and the bell button for more videos like this.